What if I told you that 1 Indian rupee, or just $1, could turn into 1 Indian rupee crore or $1 million, without winning the lottery or launching a startup? Would you believe me? It sounds like a scam, right? But it's not. It's called compounding, the most powerful force in personal finance. Albert Einstein allegedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. And if you're under 30, you have a weapon most people can only dream of: time. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how your 1 Indian rupee can turn into 1 Indian rupee crore, and why starting today might be the most important decision you ever make. But warning, missing just a few years could cost you lakhs or even crores. Here's a quick reality check. How many times have you spent 500 Indian rupees or $10 on snacks, online subscriptions, or stuff you forgot you even bought? We're taught to live in the now. YOLO, right? But that mindset is exactly why most people never build wealth. They wait to earn more or settle down before they invest. Huge mistake. Because every year you wait, you lose the magic ingredient of compounding: time. It's like planting a tree and forgetting to water it until it's too late, then wondering why it never grew. So what happens when you water your financial tree from day one? Let's say you invest just 1 Indian rupee or $1, and it doubles every year. Year 1, 2 Indian rupees. Year 5, 32 Indian rupees. Year 10, 1024 Indian rupees. Still tiny, right? But here's where compounding gets insane. By year 20, it becomes over 10 Indian rupees lakh. By year 27, 1 Indian rupee crore. Compounding is slow at first, like pushing a snowball uphill. But once it gains momentum, it becomes a financial avalanche. Now let's be more realistic. You invest 5,000 Indian rupees, or $60, a month at 12% annual return. Totally achievable with index funds or mutual funds. After 30 years, you've invested 18 Indian rupees lakh. But your total is over 1 Indian rupee crore. And most of that isn't from your pocket. It's from compound interest. Still thinking this is boring? Well, so is brushing your teeth. But skip it for a year and tell me how that works out. Here's how you start. Pick a platform: Zerodha, Groww, Robinhood, whatever works in your country. Start a SIP or auto invest plan. Even 500 Indian rupees or $10 a month is enough. Stay consistent. Don't touch it. Don't time the market. Just trust time. You don't need to be rich to start. You become rich because you start. Even if you're 25 now, you can still hit 1 Indian rupee crore by 50. Wait till 35? You'll need to invest 3 times more. Time is your leverage. Every rupee or dollar invested today is a soldier fighting for your future wealth. Now imagine this. What if you had a second source of income, a smart AI side hustle, and you threw that into compounding too? Now your 1 Indian rupee crore could turn into 5 Indian rupees crore. Want to know how? Tap on the next video. Top 5 AI side hustles for 2025 that can replace your job. Because the real financial flex? Not just earning more, but earning passively, while your money multiplies in the background. Subscribe for more. Stack smart.